Really so gorgeous, and they look so beautiful just sitting on my vanity. Hopefully I'm looking in the camera because I can't see with all these lights. Hello gorgeous, my name is Milz the Unicorn, and thank you so much for tapping into my channel. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment on this video. Excited to be here. I post makeup videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Makeup, beauty, glam, how to make you feel good, look good. Today's video is going to be something I am extremely excited about. I'm really thrilled. Like, I've been trying to film this video for like weeks now, and I'm so excited to be able to do it. Get that bell popping so that way you get notifications whenever I post and you never miss a thing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So we're going to be reviewing Shacoy, a press-on nail, and I purchased a set of nails from her, and they're absolutely gorgeous. She is a small business owner, Black woman, and mother. She is absolutely amazing. Her creativity is off the charts, and I purchased my own set of press-on nails for events when I want to feel special, I want to feel jazzed up, I want to feel a little extra cute, So I have my nails. I'm going to be unboxing them today with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy, and make sure that you support. Check out the video and I'll let you know my opinions on some press-on nails custom made for me. Oh, I can't sing, but they're beautiful. So gorgeous. Okay, so they come in this beautiful little box. The box is perfect for the size of the nails, and there's also a thank you sticker here on the side. So then when you want to open up your set of nails, you literally just open the box and they're easily accessible to you. Absolutely gorgeous. And they're also placed in the order of the way that you would put them on. So right here is the thumb, and then you go over from that edge. So it literally, she's made it so easy to put these like on your nails. You don't have to worry about which one goes where after you've been fitted and things like that. So I'm super excited. Trying to remember to stay looking at the camera. Please forgive me, guys. I know when I'm editing this video, I'm about to be so mad. Like, I'm gonna be so mad at me, but that's all right because the content is here. But just look at these. They're so gorgeous, like gorgeous. I'm about to insert a clip. Her packaging is so adorable, and you get a sneak peek of the nails back there, but it's so bomb, and she gives you like a whole kit. Literally so gorgeous, and they look so beautiful just sitting on my vanity, even though they're gonna be on my hands soon. So now that we've gotten everything set up here, I'm gonna start with my left hand. So the left hand here is at the top, I think. Yes, that's my middle finger. So the left hand here is at the, I'm gonna go ahead, and she's got them secured in here perfectly as well. Like, they don't move when they're in here. They're beautifully made, literally gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait. First, we have to do like we're supposed to and sterilize with, the shebang here. So I'm gonna take this alcohol prep pad and clean off my nail beds, all of them, on both hands. All right, so cleaning these off, getting any excess oil off of the nail bed. You let me know to make sure that the cuticles are pushed back, and I'm also just to make sure that this is clean. I'm also going to make sure they are clean again, just one more time. I'm gonna take our glue, twist open, easily just bring it out. Look, oh, it's so cute. Look at that. So it has like, and it also makes me feel very secure too. All right, so twist that, should come off easily, and it does. Oh, got a little glue on me. I expected that though. Okay. I'm gonna just leave it like that. I don't wanna deal with that right now. No, we're here for it. We're here for the nail show. So I am going to apply the glue along my nail bed, and I'm actually just gonna use the part at the top. I was supposed to buff my nails too. I didn't do that, like an idiot. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and press this bad boy on. And I want her to be secure and snug. Do you hear me? I'm gonna hold this for like 15 seconds. Pressing these bad boys on. Hopefully you guys can see there. I've got it lined up against my cuticle, and this is secured. So now we're going in with nail number 2. So I was supposed to be buffing my nails as well, or yeah, buffing. So if I file it down a little bit, it gives it more of a surface to adhere to, and then put your glue over here. Wonderful. So now press this bad boy on. Ooh, that's hot. You guys should be able to see. I am trying to make sure these babies are stuck. I like my nails to be secured, and I feel very much secure. How about we just file all the nail beds down? That's gonna save us some time. These are the length long. Also, by the way, guys, I got the length long, okay? I do not like medium nails. I need my nails long, like long. Going in with the, you guys see? Hopefully you can see. Yes, yes. Ooh, child. Wait a minute. Who is she? Who is she? Okay, so I specifically requested pixie crystals on my nails. I told her I wanted these badly. Like, I've never had them before, and they always look so gorgeous. Oh baby, we're here. Okay, initial thought, they feel very, very comfortable on my hands. I don't feel any, but I'm also a nail wearer, so you guys have to keep that in mind too. Regular basis, for years and years and years, I had a different set of nails every few weeks, and I'm so excited that I have found Shacoy a press-on nail. So now we are gonna move on to the right hand. This is gonna be a challenge. And I'm gonna put on, start with the thumb again. First, before we do anything, I'm going to clean my nails off. We're gonna do the same exact process. I feel so awkward holding my hands like this right now. It's almost like I don't know how to wear nails anymore. So I'm having to get used to everything. I am only ambidextrous when it comes to doing makeup. Anything else, my left hand don't have a chance. Don't have a chance. I have to keep my hand still and I move my right hand. All right, perfect. And so we're gonna go in with glue on our thumb. This is gonna be interesting, peeps. Matter of fact, let me see, can I twist this off now? Got it. Down. Hold you down. Is that a song? And we're gonna hold it down for 15 seconds now. Mad that my viewfinder is not where it's supposed to be. Like I'm ruining the video right now. Please drop a comment if me looking over here and everywhere else is not ruining the video for you, please. So, boom. I'm gonna go ahead and insert press. You don't need to be pressed unless you're pressed by Shacoy. A press-on nail is her slogan. It's so freaking cute. Just like these nails. And she is snug, finished. Look at this. Look at the detail, the attention to detail. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So the overall verdict on Shacoy a press-on nail is that the products are absolutely amazing. Like these nails are amazing. Customer service, amazing. The design, amazing. I'm looking at myself in the mirror over here. I'm just like, girl, who are you? And what are you doing here? You know? Because when I tell you like this right here. So make sure that you guys shop with Shacoy a press-on nail. Get your nails, feel fly. You know, like that don't mean don't go to the salon, get your pedicure. You hear me? Get them feet scrubbed. Them feet need to be scrubbed. Them waxings, take that off. The brows, tidy them up. But you need press-on nails. Shacoy, a press-on nail got you, let me tell you. I'm feeling like $1 million freaking dollars. And I'm excited that I can take these off when it's time for hair day. And I don't have to worry about ruining my nails while I'm doing my hair. So I'm excited. These are everything. Get you some. This your girl Milz the Unicorn. Thank you so much for tapping in. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure that you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and make sure you don't miss any other content. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I need you to drop an emoji where it's like the girl getting her nails painted, the paint emoji, or like nail painting emoji. Drop in the comments for me if you made it all the way to the end. And thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Listen to me when I tell you these nails are everything, okay?